been standing in this wood for like day. I have my day one picture with some beautiful green ass sandpaper. It's coming, but yeah. And I can't believe the entire first video got deleted. I literally have the video that I was going to start with, and it literally disappeared. And I promise I've not done it with any power tools, I've just done it with this. As you can tell, it would be a lot quicker if I did this shit with power tools. Which I don't have. I personally don't have any. My dad does. But this is all my dad's stuff. As you can tell. It's nothing here is mine. I am not a self-made. I'm a thief in the night. But yeah, I'm going around some of these corners for like 5 minutes because I don't fancy doing any more wood today because I've been literally, I did this for an hour and it all deleted. But still, I am going to wood now. That sounds really wrong, but oh well. I really should put my hair up this, I just cannot see. Sandpaper is getting flimsier and flimsier by the second through. Look at those rounded corners. Like that. That's probably a bad one. I swear on my hand on my heart, promise it was me as a person, I did try to record this with the sandpaper and it just didn't do it. I just didn't press I pressed play.
No
like,
swearing!
Cut out. I'm really bad at it. Like, we are going to improve one sandpaper wood at a time. But yeah, this is a new channel. Well, I've never posted on this, and you know, it will be fun experiment to see how long this takes, if I ever can finish it or be bothered to finish it, because this will require a lot of patience. I fear is more than I have. be doing it like this when I put two at the same time. But yeah, maybe I should live stream this. It's gonna take a while, and I'll be real, it probably isn't long enough for a 10-minute YouTube video. Like, I could, that's what I'm doing here today, like a 10-minute first episode to hopefully, I'm gonna finish series, but it's just the sandpaper, man. It's just not doing it. But yeah, please tell me how to improve in the comments. I'm very, very new to this. But I'm not getting a power tool. That is one thing I'm gonna try not to do, is get a power tool. I like to do it by hand.
Or will there be?
Sam, it just keeps coming out my hand. I keep losing grip. It's just not it though. Because I have hope for this long and arduous journey, and I hope it'll be the best like project I've ever done, because I've never done a project like this before. Better than the living school projects. I hate school projects. Always hated them, bro. They're so long, pointless, and just like you don't feel anything towards them. If I was doing this in school, I actually feel something towards it because I chose to do this with my free time in my long summer. Like, ridiculous. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna do maybe one more minute, and then I'm gonna save it quick. But yeah, this is a new channel. Again, never done YouTube before, but good idea to start something new. You never know what's going to happen. You never know how this wood's going to turn out. If I ever finish this or if I ever not. But yeah. I'd say that's the end now. Well, here's the product after the end of I did put an hour earlier, but I blimmin' didn't. Well, I did press record, but I don't know what the hell happened. I think I need some technological help, but yeah, bit of it's mainly I just got the corners done. Some of the corners are not not very well done, but some of them are a lot better. Like that's a lot better because I mainly did this side today. But yeah, any pointers in the comments, please, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.